Mark, the owner of Facebook, started simple, but now they have grown their business to a multi-billionaire company just by following simple steps, and they were able to succeed in this. Today, I'm going to share with you an idea that I can bring to you that you can start today by step by step. First of all, we are going to start by defining what I'm going to do in this video. In this video, I'm going to show you two types of income you can earn on the internet, and that is one, passive income, where you have to earn money by just sitting, and everything will be presented to you. The money will just be coming to you consistently. And then the other one is active income. Active income works in a way that you have to work so that you get the money that you worked for. It's so hard for you to do active income all the time. It drains you. And the best way actually in this kind of market, you have to concentrate on the passive income so that you don't spend all your time working. You don't spend all your time concentrating on the ideas that you want to build for your business to grow. And there's so many ways on the internet how you can get passive income. Number one is YouTube. YouTube is actually where you're watching this video, and this is a very, very, very big platform. One of the best platforms on the internet. Is number 2 by ranking, followed by just Google, where people visit. Billions of people visit this every month in purposes of learning, purposes of entertainment, purposes of any kind of things people do in their free time. Yeah. Then the other thing is you building a website. Yeah. Those are two categories. You need a website, which is so simple to create, and then you also need a YouTube channel, yeah, which is also so simple to create. How do you earn money through YouTube? YouTube is in a way that when you upload videos, yeah, every day, maybe every month, until you reach the subscriptions of 1,000 subscribers in your channel, then you also get 4,000 watch hours in your channel. YouTube is going to present you with a gift, I would say, where you're going to be earning money according to the views, yeah, that you get through advertising into your platform. The first ads you see there that goes through 5 seconds, those are ads that are going to earn you money, that are earning people money. People like Mr. Beast earns billions of money through YouTube, yeah, and you can do it. It's so simple. All you need is an internet connection. You need a smartphone. You need a computer so that you can edit your videos. Yeah. Then there are also other ways you can earn money through YouTube. Yeah. Before even you get monetized, before you reach 1,000 subscribers. Yeah. And how is that? It's through affiliate marketing. If you go down to the descriptions of every YouTube video, people put their affiliate products, affiliate links, whereby if you click on that link, someone gets a commission. If you click and buy a product from that link, someone gets a commission, which can range from 70 to even 30% of the commission. And it can sometimes be significant, some dollars, big dollars of money. Yeah. And people again do this. That's why I brought out the idea of a website. A website is a form of online advertisement. It's there forever. It doesn't expire. Yeah. So the same trick applies in a website. When you build a website, you put your affiliate link in your website. You give people something they can read. Yeah, an article, information about something. It might be information about her hosting, information about best products to buy on the health market, how to grow your YouTube channel, those products there. So if someone reads your content and becomes satisfied with your content, someone is going to click that link, and when they buy that link, you get a commission. And very many people are doing this. And I advise you also to start. I always tell people, don't just watch the video. When you watch the video, go and implement what you've read. Yeah, and that is actually all it. And if you see very well, you're going to realize that every time you watch this kind of video, you go like, wow, this is too much for me. I can't start. I can't even dream of doing this. I can't even earn millions of dollars. But that's not true. All you have to do, grab your computer, start recording. Don't mind about what people are going to say. Record your videos. you're going to see that some people are going to be affected by what you tell them on YouTube, and by that they are going to start following you. That's how subscribers start coming to you. Then they get attached to you. It's just like family. When people get attached to you, more people want to draw closer to you. So more people come, and in just a way you realize that you've reached 1,000 subscribers, and your watch hours will come in automatically. It's the same thing with a website. When you design a website, it's going to take like a week or two for it to be published outside there, for it to reach very many people. But just assume your website is there for 1 month, and maybe 2 people click on that, and 2 people see your affiliate link and they click on it, and then just assume like in one click you're supposed to get let's say $50. How much can it be in 1 year? It is a big ton of money, especially if you're just sleeping and just waiting for things to come. Yeah, so that is what I can tell you for today. There's so many ways I'm thinking about this. Like, one of them is to choose one. Start with one, and most times I recommend YouTube. We all have smartphones, but just by the fact that you're watching this video, you have a smartphone or you have a computer. And that is actually, you don't need very complicated stuff. Those things will come in later. So start shooting your video just about anything. Then you'll come back to this channel, watch a few things I've taught about affiliate marketing. Then as you're waiting for that 1,000 subscribers, start hooking those links into your descriptions. Yeah, you won't start it of course right away. Maybe wait until you're like 100 subscribers, then you start hooking those links into your descriptions. And that's not all. YouTube has a way that people will come to you and like your channel, then they'll want you to advertise their product. They will discuss with you terms and conditions of their payment, and then they will also advise you on what they want you to present, on what they want you to showcase about their product or about their company, about their website. And this is benefited from this. Just as you can see, my channel is very small, but people contact me so that they want me to advertise their products, their website, to just show it around, something simple, mention something about it in the video, and people will pay for that. That is kind of it. Then later, if you get to understand the how YouTube works, yeah, how you can link it with your affiliate links, which you can get from very many websites. Best two is actually Clickbank, which is based in Europe, Europe based, and then also there is a Digistore 24. Digi24 is one of the best websites in that it allows people to actually sign in from anywhere in the world. Clickbank is restricted a little to some countries, but if you cannot sign up on Clickbank, just go to option 2, which is Digi24. They are all the same products, they are same companies. They do affiliate marketing for those who want to freelance on affiliate marketing links, and they pay through PayPal, which is good. Even the bank account, you can do that. So that's it for today. Subscribe below. Good. Subscribed.